All right. So we read the question first. Sally and Jack are on opposite sides of a river. Let's start with that. We've got our river. We've got Sally and Jack. Let's say that Sally, we'll write S for Sally, J for Jack. They're on opposite sides straight away. Okay? I'm going to put some dots there. So those are the staffs displaced. Now, from there, so they're attempting to determine the distance between them. Sally marks the position with a staff. We did that. And directs her assistant, Peter, on her side of the river to move 20 meters away from her. Okay. So Peter's there with her. Peter's here. And he's asking Peter to move away from her. That way. Could be that way as well, doesn't matter. But I'm going to go towards the right. Okay. So Peter moves 20 meters away from her. And he puts a staff there. It's perpendicular to the line across the side of the river. So that's the perpendicular. That's what he means by that. So we've done that. Moves 20 meters. I should write 20 meters there. Peter marks this point with the staff. I've done that. And then, if you read here, and moves another 20 meters and places a second staff. So let's do that. So he moves another 20 meters and places a second staff. 20 meters. Are you with me? Very important that you focus. All right. So both his and Sally's line are on a straight staff, are on a straight line. We can see that they are on a straight line. No problem there. Peter then walks away from the river. So he's not going this way, that's towards the river. He's going the opposite way, right? He's going this way away from the river at 90 degrees to the line of staffs he has set up with Sally. He keeps walking until the first staff he has positioned. This is staff number 1 first. This is the second. So he keeps walking, and the first staff his position is in line with Jack. So I'll draw a dotted line here in green. Damn keyboard. So until it's in line with this green line here. So he keeps walking. Let's walk. All right. He walks until he finds, oh, that's in line there. And what he does is he puts a third staff there. I call it third staff. Now, he's put his third staff. Show this information in a diagram. We've shown it. All right. Indicate a distance Peter could measure. So now let's just join them. So I'll join that green line, and I can join this SJ together as well. Now, because we know, if I put some labels here, I'll put them in red. Let's leave that one SJ. I'll call this one R. P is over there. I'll put Q up there. Now, how you want to answer this question? Remember, this is your river. Okay. All right. So how you want to answer this question at the end? You want to say that because triangle SRJ is congruent to triangle QRP. Because triangle SJRJ is congruent to triangle QRP, SJ is equal to QP, or that side is the same as that side. Are there any questions?